Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to run Python code in PowerShell. So let's start. So in my case, I have app drive. Inside the app drive, I have demo folder. Inside that demo folder, I have star-patterns.py file. So this is the Python code or Python script. Now I want to run this code in PowerShell. So search for PowerShell, open PowerShell in administrator mode. Once you open your PowerShell in administrator mode, now go to the path where you have Python script or file. So in my case, I have app drive, so I'm typing app colon. Now I want to go inside the demo folder, so I'm typing a command demo cd demo, press enter. Now I am inside my demo folder. Now I want to run the Python code using PowerShell, so type a command python, then name of the file. In my case, it is star-patterns.py and press enter. And over here, you can see we have successfully run the Python code or Python script in PowerShell. So in this way, you can run Python code in PowerShell. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.